Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Rob with Spray or Splash Fragrance Reviews. Got a brand new video, new fragrances. We're gonna get into it. Stay tuned. YouTube, what's going on? Thank you so much for coming back and checking the channel. Back with something a little different today. This started out for me being a review about one fragrance, but it's kind of morphed into more than just that. So let me kind of explain. I want to say back in, what was this, maybe May of this year, I got a promotional email in my Google account for the Michael Mall company, and they sent me something about a fragrance called Citizen Jack Absolute. So I kind of looked at it. I didn't really think a whole lot about it, and then I want to say maybe a week or so later, Max 40 did a video where he kind of he just picked the fragrance up and said he liked it, and I was kind of looking to pick something up, so I just blind bought it. I purchased it and was pretty much, waiting for it to come in. I ordered it directly from the Michael Mall website. So fast forward, maybe like about a week or so later, I want to say I saw a video by Quality Fragrances, and he was talking about this fragrance from Haramain, Amber Oud Gold Edition. And he kind of talked about how it was like a conversation starter whenever he went out someplace with the fragrance on. He got compliments, etc., etc. And he mentioned that it smelled like, I think it's Herba Purum, a fragrance from Xerjoff. And when I heard him say that, I thought, wait a minute. I saw a video from another cat who's like a Latin guy who lives in Miami, who does a lot of niche fragrances. I can't recall his name, but he's been doing them for years. Really good reviewer. And I remember I saw him do a video on Herba Purum, and he kind of spoke on how it was a fragrance that was kind of polarizing, but one that whenever he wore it, he got the most amazing, like crazy compliments that he had ever heard. So then you fast forward, I get the Michael Mall Citizen Jack Absolute fragrance in the mail. Not even making any type of connection. I get the fragrance and I'm kind of underwhelmed. To me, it kind of feels like it's simply like a fruity vanilla fragrance that kind of comes off like it's a suntan lotion, kind of like beachy type product. And I'm just like, it's okay, but I paid $90 for it. So then here comes the Haramain in the mail, because I ordered that. And as soon as I get it, I'm like, wait a minute, does this kind of smell like the Michael Mall? And I spray them both, test them on skin, and I'm like, wow, these are really close, like really close. Like, and then it clicks, like these are both copies of the Herba Purum, and I never even really thought about it. I never looked the notes up. I mean, I bought the original fragrance strictly off of a video from Max 40, and it was totally a blind buy. I didn't even go and look at the notes or anything. I just remember him saying it was kind of a sweet vanilla kind of fragrance, and he thought it smelled really good, thought it would be a compliment getter, blah blah blah. So I've got them both, and I actually think the Haramain is a better fragrance. I think it's got a little bit more depth to it, and it's cheaper. So here you go. This is the Citizen Jack Absolute, and this is the Haramain Amber Oud Gold Edition. Okay, so this one is the $45 fragrance, and this one is $90. To get more specific, I'll give you the note breakdown and the release date so you can kind of see. So for the Citizen Jack Absolute, it's got a 2020 release date, and the notes are as follows: bergamot, melon, pineapple, amber, vanilla, musk. All right. Then the Haramain Amber Oud Gold Edition has got these notes: bergamot, green notes, melon, sweet notes, pineapple, amber, vanilla, musk, woody notes. So I know the Herboporum, I think, came in a different bottle at one point, and I don't know if that had an actual earlier release date. I didn't really look that deep into it, but the Herboporum has got the notes of orange, bergamot, lemon, fruit, musk, vanilla, amber. So they all kind of have very, very similar notes. I've never smelled the Herboporum, but I can tell you that the Michael Mall and the Haramain smell very close, but again, the Haramain to me tends to have a little bit more depth. They're both strong. They really push the first 2 hours and then they kind of settle down, but they've got, longevity of I want to say 6 to 8 hours, both of them. Now, do I like the fragrance? I mean, that's pretty much the end game. Is it a fragrance that I like? I think it's just okay. My daughter smelled it on me. She thought it smelled really good. My wife kind of was just she thought it was too strong. I honestly haven't had the opportunity to wear it out and see what kind of compliments or comments it would garner. So just wanted to give you that background story and kind of get into, how I came about having both of these fragrances in the collection. I normally don't try to get fragrances that smell alike. I really don't try to do that now because my collection is pretty big now, and it's been big for a while. So I try to not do repetitive, redundant purchases, but sometimes it happens. So that's the video. Thank you so much for checking out the video. I'll be coming out with more videos really soon. Give me a thumbs up if you choose to. If you've never subscribed, I ask you do so. Until next time, you guys take care. Later. Bye.